Welcome to my epic world of LOL Surprise!
Hi there, my name's Mary Louise and I blog over at mymodelmummy.com. I found these shelves in my local Matalan store. They were 50% off, which means they were just £6 each. You can paint it any colour you wish to tie in with the theme of your daughter or son's bedroom or playroom. I'm going to make mine white today, and I'm going to add some pink and some laugh out loud accessories, maybe some stickers or badges. So stay tuned to watch me turn this simple shelf into something fun, vibrant and girly. Be sure to check that the toy you wish to store fits in the shelves compartment. I used Cuprinol Garden Paint in the shade Pearl Jasmine, and I made sure I gave the shelves 2 coats each. The fun begins when you can start accessorising your shelf. I'm going for a laugh out loud surprise doll theme, but you could go for Transformers, Spider-Man or any other superheroes you wish. Panini sticker packs are my absolute favourite. They come in a variety of all sorts of characters, and they are a real inexpensive way of using decor for your new shelves. I chose to use round stickers to make my life easier, and then I just simply cut along the outer edge of the Laugh Out Loud doll to accessorise each compartment of my shelf. So guys, this is such an important tip. After I've stuck my sticker in my compartment, I've used Modge Pudge glue to stick the sticker down and make sure it doesn't curl at the edges. This glue is a gloss and it dries on clear. Whilst waiting for the shelves to dry, I took this magazine. As you can see, it had a Laugh Out Loud doll featuring, so I framed it. I also got the boxes out and made a nice display area ready for the shelves to be put into their place.